From the audience, the first players taking a taxi ride. This will be a ride of please take note. What a ride. Formula 4 race car. Come on, you guys, Formula 4 race car. Come on, you guys, Khan is the podium again. Come on, cheer for the Carters, the 11-year-old prodigy, and Hiban Bey. Kawasaki Ninja. That is Padma Prasnat. You see a CBR 650cc Honda CBR. That is Kruba Chandar. And on the Suzuki GSX 750cc is Prabhakaran. Ladies and gentlemen, these stunts are being performed by professionals. These are seasoned professionals. Please do not try this at home or in the street unless you've been trained to do so. Especially if you belong to a company. Please exercise caution and do not try in the street. Yes, make some noise for Padma Prasnat, Kruba Chandar, and Prabhakaran!
Oi! Sana spike!
Take a ride in one of the drift cars with Saddam Sekhon. In the laitkor in the BMW. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my God, what an action by the two drift cars. You guys are the best that the country has. A salute, salute, salute to Sanam Shekhar and Ashwin Jktyre. Jktyre is coming back to the circle. Guys, can you make? You guys probably 3 bananas that you saw earlier, the very colorful and graphic bananas. Those are the sun cars, and they will be in action. The head of operations of Jktyre. Then we have Sunny Kumar, who is a champion biker, a rally driver, a monster expert, and a stunt performer. Bobby Hogan is a multi-full winner of extreme rallies, autocross, and 4x4 competitions in India and across the world.
Something experience sila to ma'am.
That's Mr. Hari Singh, right in front of the stage. Look at him. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the stunt cars and the drivers. Here they are, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Hari Singh, Mr. Sunny Kumar, Mr. Bobby Bho. Once again, come on, make some noise, a big round of applause for our stunt drivers who have come from far. And let me remind you, these. Here we go once again, ladies and gentlemen. Two of these cars back to back on 2 wheels. 4-wheel cars only on 2 wheels. You will not see this spectacle anywhere. Give it up for Hari Singh in the car in front, followed by Saran in the car behind. Only on 2 wheels. We can see everything inside the car. What power, what braking, I should say. These cars have been modified for stunt action. So, your normal cars. And here we go, some merchandise. Alright, some Jktyre merchandise. Okay, while collecting the merchandise, please make sure that you're in a safe distance. everyone will get some Jktyre merchandise.
हाथ लगलो ना
This is Mr. Hari Singh distributing merchandise. He is a seasoned professional and also the head of operations of Jktyre. Please stay clear of the vehicle. Please stay clear of the...
पाए चला चलेगा
Steering the car with only his foot. Guys, please keep pushing. Here he is, Mr. Jktyre, and the king of the trip world. The Sunman, Mr. Jktyre, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, stay safe, ladies and gentlemen, please. Lieutenant General Vikas Lakhera, DGR with one of India's best fun What? Here, Mike. Come here. Let me share you. She is speechless. She is speechless. Full adrenaline pumping, right? Okay. This is crazy. Our chief guest is on two wheels with none other than professional stuntman Mr. Hari Singh. Wasn't it? Sir, can you share your experience? Right, and was it your first time? No. Oh, you've been, yeah? Maybe so much now.